one game station outside as well, so please get up and move around and visit.
Hi guys.
See ya. Have fun. Tell me about your system.
Yeah, tell me about your system,
You
Sam.
guys gotta go to game
do
design.
something?
Did you do anything?
You gotta go to game design.
It's my project too. I'm like, bad. Tell me about it.
Zero.
Show me the code.
Alright. Let's do it. Alright, so this is the... You designed a game, right?
Yeah, we designed a game.
Okay. I kind of wish I would have got to play games, but I got to present this. So this is our... Everyone gather around, gather around. Is there any way I can make this easier? Let me push this out. Curriculum planner.
What team?
What team? Team... Is there a number?
Yeah.
11, I think? Let me look.
It should be 1 through 8.
Team 11.
Huh?
Curriculum Team 11.
Yep, okay, I'll switch.
Guess team 1 is team 11.
Team 11.
11. Alright, so let's go through the tool. I already have a transcript uploaded in there, but I'll re-upload it to show it. First, user is prompted for transcript uploads. I'll do, say, my unofficial transcript. Click OK. All process. And then, before anything, we'll go to progress tracking. That's now with the uploaded transcript showing all my taken classes, right, and in progress classes. And you can go to planning tools here. This allows you to check if upper level, if not upper level. You got recommended for all courses and recommended for what you should take. So I've taken all the cores and, except for linear controls. So when I see recommended cores, it only shows linear controls, right? So say I want to take that for future semesters, I can click it, click save. Now I can check to make sure I'm registered for it. So I'm checked there. Right now if I go back to add class again just to double check, show recommended, it's not there anymore because I'm registered for it. Right? So now that I have all those in, we can go to, let's go to Flowchart Maker. Flowchart saved in your files, transcript semester flowchart. Let's take a look, make sure everything looks good. Alright, this gives all your classes you took by semester by course code and the semester you took it. If it's unknown, it means you took it at a different school.
Okay.
And then you can see it signed up for linear controls for fall 2025. And we can go back. Other features, I'll get rid of that. Other features, we can go to pre-advising checklist. Here you can enter all your information and have it saved. And then help, these are all the resources if you want to see the latest catalog, advisors,
That's
course
USF
history.
resources, right?
Yeah, this is all USF stuff.
Can I have
And
your attention just a minute?
that pretty much covers all of it.
Yeah, man, that's nice.
Yeah.
Can I have your attention just a minute?
Guys, listen up.
Silence! Thank you. There are few stations in the next room because we are out of the outlet, so students actually started setting their stations in the next room, 127. Don't forget to visit. Is that just games in there? I do not know.
So how are we supposed to rate it?
I guess just on each of the sections, on what it says, ease of use,
So, but
visual.
it's like 0 to 100?
Yeah, he said please 100, 80, 50, or
You
20.
have to go here like
Yeah. Yeah.
I would give a 100. I'm not giving anybody a low grade. Yeah, shit in there. Like for real.
I can show you guys an example. I have 3 transcripts. I can show you a different example.
Hit me. Like, your guys' project is actually really well done. It is better than the fucking USF one that we do
Yeah,
use
I
now.
mean,
Like,
it's definitely simple. It's like the small boxes. Some people did like a full program of it, but we just kept it pretty simple. I don't know, this is grams. So if we got progress tracking, these are all grams classes. So, yeah, you can switch between transcripts pretty easily.
Oh, this thing is sick. Like, genuinely, that's really useful. Well done, dude.
Thank you. I did on this project, I did the transcript parser, and I did the flowchart maker mostly.
Sick. Well, y'all got a total of 700.
Dang.
Congratulations, 700.
How's it going? Thank you. Team 11. I know, it says 1 through 8 there.
I'm team 1. I'm team 1.
Team 1. Just put like 11 there.
Alright. Is it just you from your group? Is it just you from your group, or are you in his group as well?
I am team 6.
Okay, team 6. Where's the rest of your team? Just so I can present to all of you at once.
In total, I have to put in the.
Bro, you have to put 100, not 10.
Oh yeah.
It's
I
not the
forgot.
sum. It's not the sum.
No, it's 180, 50, 20. Like go back over here. 180, 50, or 20.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Perfect. Thank you. Yeah, curriculum. Just you for now? Yeah. Alright. Let's go through it. This is the EXE open. So we always prompt the user when they first open it to start with the transcript parser. So meaning they can just upload their unofficial transcript, like here's mine. Upload it. Now that it's in there, next I usually go to progress tracking. This lets you view all the classes you've taken and classes in progress. Then so 124 graduated. Next semester. And then what I've been doing is planning tools is what I show next. Or sorry. Yeah, planning tools. So if you want to say add a class for future semester, check if upper level, because I'm upper level. Show recommended, and show recommended cores. Oh, here, 1 minute. So in the previous example, I signed up for linear controls. So if I want to unsign up from linear controls, I just click on it, save, check. You know, signed up for no classes for fall 25. But if I want to add back linear controls, check if upper level. Right, confirm. Show recommended courses. Say I do want to take linear controls as my last core. It's there now. I click that, click save, right? And now I can check, make sure I'm registered. And now when I make a flowchart maker, it's saved as transcript semester flowchart in your files. So go here, click on it, and this gives you the flowchart of everything you've taken, what I signed up for fall 25 by course code. Unknown is if you took them at a different school, because they just don't apply to USF schedule. But this gives like the full schedule, and then past that, other tools. If you want to go pre-advising checklist, you can enter all your information here and have it saved. If you want resources, they're all here. And I know you just showed up, but I showed the transcript parser and progress tracking.
Okay.
So,
So that makes sense.
yeah, this just shows all your classes you've
Can you
taken.
pull up the resources just one more time?
Yeah. They do. They open up, bring you straight to the website resources.
Yeah, that's what I just wanted to check was the list. Yeah, that's all stuff I've used. So I was like, okay, cool.
Yeah. So, all useful resources, and then sign up for all your classes here, as I was showing him. Flowchart maker. Currently signed up for linear controls.
Did you actually look up? I'm sorry. The number that's around.
No, I'm not signed up currently. That'd be a future semester. What were you asking?
You didn't look up the CRN for it, just like.
No, so we have a whole list. So if I want to remove that, right? Check, it's gone. If you add upper level, you can show recommended or show all. Show recommended tracks. These are just all tracks I can take because of my classes I've currently taken. But yeah,
What team are you?
team 11. Yeah.
That's a 10 out of 10 for me.
Thank you. All right, let's do it. So this is our tool. EXE is already open. User always starts by doing transcript parser. In this case, I'll show you uploading a transcript, unofficial transcript here, upload it, right, and now I can go to progress tracking and see all my classes I've taken at USF, right, and in progress classes. Total credits applied, all the normal stuff. Say for future semester I want to sign up for a different class. Right now I'm signed up for nothing. And I've taken all the cores except linear controls, for example. So I want to add a course, upper level. Let's go show recommended. And if I want to go show recommended core, linear controls should be the only one there, which it is. So I saved that, added it, then I can check it is indeed added. And then just to prove, if I go back, show recommended, show cores, nothing's there because I'm signed up for it. So now that it's in there, I can go to Flowchart Maker. It'll save it in your files as your transcript flowchart. You go to Files, open it up, and this shows all of the classes you took by semester. You can see I'm signed up for linear controls by course code. If it shows unknown, it means I took it at a different school, so it's not in the USF files. And then past that,
Okay, I'll go next time.
and then past that, pre-advising checklist where you can put all your information in and get ready to schedule an appointment. And then help, this just shows all the resources of course catalogs where you can find certain information, all the regular stuff. But yeah, any questions?
No, man, it looks good.
Thank you.
You're Team 11, right?
You what?
You're Team 11?
Yep, Team 11. Thank you very much. I think just over there to the right. How are you doing? What's in here? Ooh.
John, you said the next
Cacao?
Oh, I thought. How come college kids so slow with the food?
So, looking for transcript person? This is, we're Team 11. Yep.
It only goes up to 8, so I gotta cross.
I know, you gotta like add a section. Yeah, let's go through it. So first you start off with transcript parser. I'll re-upload it just to show functionality. This is my transcript. Okay, transcript uploaded. And then we can go to progress tracking, see all the classes you take. And in progress classes. Right. Past that for planning tools next. This is where you add classes for future semester. So say I've taken all of the classes except linear controls. So I'll check that I'm upper level and show recommended cores. You can see linear controls is there because it read my data. So save that I want to take that in the fall. I'll restart so I can show you the curriculum. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, we show linear controls, save that we took it, check to make sure it's in there. So I did indeed sign up for linear controls, right? Just to prove it's gone now. So if I go to try and look at it again, it's not there because I'm already signed up for it. So now that I'm signed up for it, I can go to Flowchart Maker, and it saves the flowchart in your files, your transcript semester flowchart. Let's go. Open it up, and you can see saved all the classes I've taken, and shows that I signed up for linear controls in the fall. And if it says unknown, it means I took it at a different school. It's not in the USF catalog. And past that, we can go back here, go pre-advising checklist if you want to enter your information and then schedule an appointment. And then past that, we have help. This is just all resources for catalog, advisors, course history, registration stuff. And yeah, that pretty much covers it.
All right, gotcha. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. I'll go see you. You have nobody here. Let's do it. Alright. So we'll start off open. I'll re-upload transcript just to show you how it works. You have your unofficial transcript. You just upload it in there. Okay. All uploaded. And now we can go to progress tracking. See all the courses we've taken. And in progress courses. So go back from there. Next, we'll do planning tools. As you can see, I'm signed up for linear controls for fall. That was just last example. Let's remove that. Check. Signed up for nothing for fall 25. So I've taken all of the cores except linear controls. So say I want to add that and I want to take it in the fall. Check that I'm upper level. We'll show recommended courses, recommended cores. Linear controls is there. Now I checked. It's in there. Just to recheck. Show that I did indeed pick that. It's no longer there. So signed up for linear controls, and let's say now we want to create a flowchart with all our previous classes and with linear controls. Well, it saved it to our files. This transcript semester flowchart. You can see it take all the classes I took. If it says unknown, it means I took it at a different school. Okay. It's not in the USF database, but you can see it's by course code. So I signed up for linear controls by semester from top to bottom. And then past that, if you want a pre-advising checklist, if you want to make an advising appointment, you can enter information here and then schedule an appointment. And then this is just a general resource database where if you want to find course catalogs, course history, advisor information, all that fun stuff. Click on any of these links, it just takes you to USF pages that correspond to it.
Is there anybody in the other room?
Oh, yeah. Any questions?
No questions.
Looks all good?
Sam,
Yeah.
you got a hot dog, buddy? I
Yep.
gotta stop saying that. It's just such a funny video. What number are you guys?
Team 11.
Right. It looks good.
Thank you. Alright. You guys next? Yep.
Yeah, sure, why not?
Let's do it.
Do you want me to send you my transcript?
If you want, I already have 3 examples. Like, you can send yours if
The
you
only
like.
reason I want to send you mine
Okay. Can you
is
send it?
because I have classes from so long ago and like AP credits. I want to see if it like has trouble.
All of them only read USF.
Yeah, so we read USF course catalog. If you took it at a different school, it saves it in an unknown section.
You've already told me the answer that I was looking for, so you can just plug in whatever.
Yeah, Team 11. Let's go through it.
I don't know why like your numbers are.
I know. It's only up to Team 8. Alright, we'll start from the beginning. Transcript parser.
Oh, that's right. I've seen like half of this. I didn't mark
Yeah.
anything down because I missed the first half.
So you upload, this is my unofficial transcripts. Just, oh, there we go. Re-upload it. Click to use previous data. Okay, transcript uploaded. Now we go to progress tracking. and it shows all the courses I've taken, including in-progress classes.
Okay.
Um,
Oh, it has total credits too.
yeah, total credits too. And then before we make the flow chart, let's say I want to sign up for classes for a future semester. Let's remove that one I did last example.
Number 11, right?
Yeah. So right now I'm signed up for no classes. I've taken all the cores but linear controls, so check if upper level, show recommended cores, linear controls, right? And check it's there. It is there.
How did it know to do linear controls specifically?
Because it takes into account, we save all of the data from the transcript as a JSON file as currently taking classes. So it filtered out that I already took every other core. So if we go back here, add class, even after signing up for
So
it,
will there be more if
doesn't
you?
show up.
So there will be more classes if
you
you're
took
earlier on.
Yeah, if you took no cores, all 6
show you a
cores
whole
will
bunch
show
of
up
stuff.
there.
Okay.
But since I just signed up for it, it is no longer there. Let's sign up for, I don't know, let's give another example.
That's specifically for the core
Yeah, so here are tracks.
track recommended. Okay, I see. So here's a bunch of them. Yeah.
We'll take electric machines and drives, sure. Save, back, check it's there. Yep, both those classes are there.
I don't know, like, obviously you guys probably don't care all that much, but this is actually a pretty good app. The only thing is
Yeah.
you select it and you can't really tell that you selected it.
I know, it doesn't like go away.
Yeah.
That's like some small things
Or
you could
highlight
figure.
or something, yeah.
But now we can go flowchart maker. Or sorry, go ahead.
You could like have a little checkbox on the end,
Yeah,
and
we
then
could.
like add it all.
It's
together.
it's essentially like a checkbox. That's what it's acting as.
Again, just like small things.
Yeah, we can go flowchart maker now. Now that we've selected those classes, it saves it to your files. So transcript semester flowchart. Let's open it up.
Oh, and it like actually downloads
Yeah.
it to you?
So this shows all the classes. You can see linear controls and electric machines and drives are signed up for by course code. If it shows unknown, it means I took it at a different school or it's not in USF catalog anymore. But it shows top to
My
bottom.
unknown would be like
You'd be
super
filled.
long, yeah.
It would be filled up.
Yeah, yeah.
Wait, do you have to record?
It's been recording the whole time, yeah.
Were we supposed to be recording?
Are we supposed to be recording?
Only your person who's there.
Oh, only the person that's there.
Let me look at the
Yeah, he said like if the machine can handle it, we could do like a small like couple-minute thing at the end
Yeah.
once we're done with
And
it.
then that's the first 4. Pre-advising checklist. If you want to sign up for classes, you can enter information here, have it saved as well, and then you can always click here to schedule an appointment.
I just want to say to Dr. Jung, since it's still recording, if you're still here at 22 minutes, go grade somebody else's work already.
Yeah. Oh, gee, that's in the way. Whatever.
What happened?
That this is in the way from closing. I didn't enter the information,
gotcha.
or it's Archivum's being annoying because I'm not signed in. Anyway, pre-advising checklist, help. This gives you all catalog information if you want to see the latest catalog, advisors, course history, all the fun stuff. And these links take you straight to USF website stuff.
Does it show you the actual like the flowchart, like the flowchart for your year or whatever? The different flowcharts?
I don't think we included that in the project. Like per year that you're registered.
Yeah. No, yeah, because I was thinking like how
That's hard
everybody
to
has
do
the
because
different flowcharts.
some people get accepted certain semesters,
Yeah.
but don't start until a different semester. But this just shows all basic stuff that takes you to links. Open that back up. And I don't actually need this open. I just like having the black background.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's any questions about it?
Looks good.
No.
Cool. Nothing else that there's no secret hidden function.
No secret hidden functions.
I would assume it wouldn't be that hard to just have it. It would take time, of course. But like, let's say like because our mid-year is 23, 24, and then like Sophie's, for example, is like 22 or something.
Yeah,
So she
it's
can't
based
do
on
system.
it's based on the current one.
Okay.
Yeah.
So like I would assume later on,
'Cause
like,
I
if they
think-
wanted to continue it, they would just add that as a separate option.
Yeah, we created a JSON file based on all like the current courses needed to graduate and prerequisites. And we basically take the person's transcript and compare it to that JSON. And then we have, once they upload their transcript, it creates another JSON of all their current classes, and that's what I'm using to create the flowchart.
Cool.
Yeah.
Good job.
Thank you.
Y'all did well.
It's like it's a simple looking app, but I think it's effective.
No, I don't need my app to be super complicated.
Yeah.
Shit, if anything, Americans hate super complicated. That's why they all love Apple.
I'm not a big Samsung guy. What can I say?
I'm an Android guy.
You are?
And we can get stuff that they can.
Yeah.
What group are you?
Group 11. Yeah. Yeah. Here, I'm about to present it to him as well. We'll start from the beginning. Yeah, very beginning we'll start transcript parser, upload my unofficial transcript I have saved in here.
What is that?
Unofficial transcript. So
Where do you get that?
we go to the USF website, has a link to it. The Florida Shines unofficial transcript, you can just download it there. Yeah. So, yeah, I'll show you. So, okay, upload it, and then we'll go to progress tracking, and you can see it records all my classes and in progress classes for this semester.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So you can look through all your classes, show your total
Is
credits.
it listed by semester or what?
The flow chart will. This one is just all courses listed. This is just courses listed, and then what you're taking being at the bottom. And then if we go to planning tools, this is where you can register for classes. I'll get rid of these because this is my last example. So you can see I'm signed up for no classes. And say I want to add a class. We have an option to check if upper level or not upper level. So I'm upper level. And I've taken all of the cores except for linear controls. So let's go show recommended cores, and I want to take linear controls, right? Save, check, I signed up for it. Yeah, so, yeah, here, so now that I'm registered for linear controls, if I go back to try and add it again, it's not there. I've taken every core. So it takes all the data from the user's transcript on core electives. We separate it in a file, a JSON file, whether it's core, track, what track it falls under.
When you click on recommended and you pick controls, why didn't you pick semiconductor?
I already took it. It's not there.
So it recommends courses you haven't taken.
Yeah.
Does it take into account prerequisites?
Yeah. Full prerequisites done on this.
How do you look prerequisites up?
All prerequisites are done here. So if it won't give it to you if you don't have the prerequisite.
So how do you check?
How do you check what?
What is your source for checking for prerequisites?
For prereqs, so we have a JSON file where it shows the course name, course number, and then prerequisites. So when it you what?
Would you manually create it?
Yeah. Do you want to see it?
No, I'm going to tell you there's an easy way to do it. Right?
Yeah.
So you manually create it.
Every class. Yeah.
Class with prereqs.
Yeah.
Whether it's 1 or 2.
Yeah. And then, so we can check that I am indeed signed up for linear controls, and then we can go to now. They want to make a flow chart showing all their semesters. It saves it to their files, the transcript semester flow chart, and we can open that up. So it goes from fall 2020 all the way down to fall 2025, which is the semester I just signed up for. If it shows unknown, it means I took it at a different school and it's not in the USF catalog.
So this is semester by semester layout.
Yep.
Okay.
So we have that since I signed up for linear controls, and we have help page. This takes you to all catalog, advisors, link. So these are all hyperlinks that take you to pages of current course catalogs, all the fun stuff. And let's open that back up. And yeah, we also have an advising page where you can enter information and schedule an appointment.
So you added a course control, right? You were creating a plan.
Yeah.
Why did you add more courses? And see what happens.
Upload more courses?
Yeah.
You want to see more? Okay.
What about tracks? Does it keep?
Yeah. So here, check if upper level, show recommended track electives. these are all tracks I can take, and I can take all of them since I've taken every core, or I'm signed up.
So you choose on a track or you choose on a course?
These are courses, so you can choose a track elective.
So you don't have it where if you choose your track, it will recommend a course?
No, this just recommends courses based off your core. Yeah, they're all there.
What about the semester they are offering?
The semester they're offered, since we didn't have, when we created this, like, we don't know what's offered each semester. Some courses are offered, some aren't. So right now this is just a general, assuming all of them are offered. So we can add,
That's the wrong assumption.
yeah, well, it's hard to tell.
I'm not good in programming. Can you write a script where you can go to different web pages sequentially, for example?
Yeah,
All right, so go to on the web. I'll show you something.
go to the internet.
Yeah, just do a Google search USF course inventory. So, yeah, click on that. All right, in the prefix, hit EEL. Just type EEL. It's going to come.
It's showing up.
It's all right, just go to yeah. Put undergrad. All right, just go to the bottom. There is a search. Yeah.
Yeah, so we used previous semester's catalogs.
No, but this is as official as it gets at the university. So if you click on a course here, any course,
Yeah,
so this is where you go. I don't know if you can code it, so I can do the search, find the course, and come here and look for the course.
Yeah.
It's listed.
yeah, we have all the prereqs in there.
Yeah, but you create it manually.
Yeah,
If next semester we swap the prerequisite,
yeah.
your table is going to be wrong.
Oh yeah, that would be.
This
It doesn't.
right.
It doesn't automatically update. Yeah, it takes it based off all the current
I think it's
information.
smart.
But
11.
yeah,
11. Great.
That's kind of bad in my opinion. And then everything else is kind of just meh. So like, I give him a 5 for functionality, I give him a 10 for responsive, but the main thing
tell us about.
that was the lowest one I give.
Why am I telling you guys about? I want to see it. Okay. Start from the beginning.
Yeah.
Start with transcript parser. Upload my unofficial transcript. Okay. And then we go to progress tracking now. See all the courses you've currently taken and in progress classes. Total credits. Planning tools. This registers for future semester. So I've taken all the cores but linear controls. So if I go upper level, show recommended, you can do cores, tracks, or tech. Say I want to sign up for linear controls. I signed up. Check.
What? I worked on the JSON file.
Right, got it. Check, I am indeed now signed up. So if we go back to try and add it again, it shouldn't show up. Right, it's not there anymore. And then it's there. Now we want to create a flowchart with that. Saves in your files. Transcript semester flowchart. Top to bottom, from fall 2020 to now fall 2025, I'm registered for linear controls. Unknown means I took them at a different school and they're not in the USF catalog. Go back. Pre-advising checklist, you can enter all your information you want and make an advising appointment. You can go to help, this gives you all course catalog, advisor information, all the fun stuff.
You did a good job.
And yeah, that's all the base tools.
Beautiful. And your curriculum at Team 11, Samuel Jackson.
Yep.
That was good. Well done.
Yeah, well done.
What's yours?
11.
I'm a white crafter. I've never really get off an hour. Yeah.
Yeah. Yours is that good? Yeah. Oh, does it put ours to shame? Oh, for sure. Oh.
Yeah, and makes ours look like
It's that good?
Remember when I was they got graphics and like
It gives positive feedback and happy endings. Like I asked if yours did, you said no. No.
it shows your hands look.
Yeah. You're just like, wow, this is nice.
Yeah, it looked nice.
I'm gonna take my transcript now. It's like,
You gotta upload your horoscope?
yeah. It tells you what classes to take 5, what zodiac you are.
Oh,
you're an Aquarius rising? Don't take this class.
They close at 5, right? This was really good.
Thank you for the cake.
I know. I gotta present this. I can't play games. Let's do it. Start with transcript parser. We'll upload. I have a couple examples. We'll upload my unofficial transcripts. Okay. Now go to progress tracking. See all the current courses. And same with in-progress classes. Total credits applied. And now we'll go to planning tools. This is for registering for future semesters. Let's unselect, unregister. So right now I'm signed up for nothing for fall 2025, but I've taken all of the cores except linear control. So if I go to show recommended cores, linear control should be the only one there. So check, I am indeed registered for it. Now if I go to try and add it again just to show that it no longer shows up, it's no longer there.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
You want to add a lot more flair.
Okay.
So now that I'm signed up, I picked a class. We'll make the flowchart, show that it creates it, saves it to your files, transcript semester flowchart. Open it up. Got a top to bottom view, semester by semester. Unknown means you took it at a different school and it's not in USF catalog, but it does account for all prerequisites. We'll go back. Pre-advising checklist, if you want to enter information for make an advising appointment. Help, shows all the course catalog. These are all hyperlinks to, nope, I got to reconnect to Wi-Fi apparently. Takes each course catalog websites.
What's up?
2.6.
My program sucks? No.
2.3.
Program's nice.
You want to play games? Okay, I'll switch.
And yeah, that takes you to all the hyperlinks, and that covers pretty much.
Hey, John, here you go.
That covers all the basic features.
I think you stole
You guys have a much better project.
You still stole our code.
We don't have to do anything for this assignment, right? Because I usually operator. We have to put in.
Yeah.
Also, are you going to go with the second floor?
I think I've presented to like everyone.
They're all going around.
Yeah. I think I've done everyone.
You're also in the front. You have to sit like the back to go inside.
John, can I stop this recording yet? Can I stop this recording yet? Okay. 40 minutes.